Hey y'all, welcome to the vlog. It's Veronica. If you're new here, I'm a travel vlogger. I just like going places. It's loud as hell. It's New York. It's loud. Today is a special day though. We're doing a day trip to the Hamptons. So I'm excited. I'm about to meet everybody for the bus. And this is gonna be fun. I think I found my people. I see a bunch of black people. I feel like these are my people. Baby, this rain is coming down. Ooh. Can we get on the bus?
It's like a mojito, pineapple mojito.
Let's see. Ooh. What is this?
Lemon drop.
Lemon drop. All right. I'm not gonna tell you. Okay, that's enough. Thank you.
Lemon drop. Any more lemon drops?
Oh, it's pretty good.
What for you guys?
Cheers, everybody. Hey, cheers. When you get your drink.
Sometimes it's all that a distant echoes the fire that burns in me. Holy Ghost, Holy Ghost, just rain down on me. Just rain down on me.
Finally here, 3 hours later, and it's raining. I think we're waiting. It's a cute table. Ooh.
So are you going to be a team? Or maybe four? I have no
I got the Cobb salad for lunch. It looks good. Period. She got a fried chicken sandwich. Looks good. Are we walking to the museum from here? Are we walking to the museum from here? Okay, okay. I'm like, we just walking.
No, not even close.
Here we go.
I mean, the other part seems a bit harder. Like,
Southampton Arts Center. Cute. Found the Ralph Lauren store in the Hamptons. It's a bunch of cute shops. Up and down this little strip. So it's actually like fine arts and arts something weekend here in the Hamptons. So there's like a whole bunch of stuff happening out here. We are out here to check out some galleries. It's gonna be like an opening reception. There's an African American museum. I really wanted it to be a cute day in the Hamptons, but it's so ugly. And it's non-eventful. I don't even know if I'm gonna post this vlog, but I'm committed. I paid the money to get on the bus. Baby, it was $150. We're taking a bus round trip from the city to the Hamptons. Getting into whatever little art places. So, you know, we here. I'm telling her, what's your name again?
Maggie.
Maggie. I'm telling her, like, he got us walking around this park. Baby, it's raining. We black women, we don't like this. We don't really like this. So, let's go.
Hey, love. I lost you, babe. Picking up a penny with a press down. It's easier holding you down. Can you be any harder than holding you up now? To come clean, I said, to be realist, to be with this. Probably true, they say about me. Probably came from my inner circle. Usually come from your inner circle or lack thereof, and I don't know. I can trust. I've been dropping out and I've been hanging out with my high friends, and we do stone, but you done changed. I mean, really, it's same me, it's old me, you know, same shit. I've been on the low key grinding, on the low key shining, trying to keep to myself, but you bring me home after every time again. Them jeans, them jeans, they must be uptight, mama. You need some gift by mama. So
All right, we just sat at the bar watching the World Cup. I was cheering for France, but England was on their ass. Now we're headed to the main event, the art opening. So let's go. It finally stopped raining. Jesus Christ. But we deep, we like 20 deep. I think we're here. Art and Soul weekend. Very cute. What's today? What's today, the 18th? It's very cute.
I don't think it's like that. Like, yeah, I don't think, I wouldn't compare them. It's like.
Our crew.
You're welcome.
Oh.
Thank you.
Hi, thank you. Oh, I forgot they're playing music, of course. We was just talking about that.
Yeah. We're all connected.
That's right. Always. Thanks for coming. I know the weather's crazy
Thank
today.
you. Oh,
So we
yes.
try to pivot. So y'all come on in, get comfortable.
Cute. They're giving us little tasters. Apple pie?
This show.
No, I meant like if you want to take like a bottle home.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, that's cute.
Based in New York City. And this is my wonderful band called Sia, which means souls. And we are all from West Africa, in different country. I just want to introduce my band quickly. I'm very blessed, lucky to have my brothers here to work with me as the same band.
It's raining so bad.
I love it.
Oh my God.
I'm into it. I'm into it. It's like the like a movie, right? The first African-American site to be historically designated village of Southampton, and it's the first black barbershop to be transformed into a museum in the country. So we had to adjust, but when you go back up stage, you can see the beautiful mural upstairs. That was made by David Martini. We have a lot of great information. It's actually the history of the barbershop, beauty parlor, and the juke joint. But right now, you're in good company with these awesome artists that you see all this awesome art here. And his name is Damien Davis. Damien.
Hi.
Welcome to Hedges and Hedges, which is really about just sort of celebrating the history of this space and apartment.
16 carriages driving away while I watch them ride with my dreams away to the summer sunset on a holy night on a long black road of the tears I fight. 16 carriages driving away while I watch them ride with my dreams away to the summer sunset on a holy night on a long black road of the tears I fight. 15, the innocence was gone astray. Had to leave my home at an early age. I saw mama praying, I saw daddy grind. All my tender problems had to leave behind. It's been umpteen summers and I'm not in my bed or back of the bus.
I'm at the end of the line.
Only God knows. 16 carriages driving away while I watch them ride with my fears away to the summer sunset.
The bus is here. We're getting out of this rainy town. Enough is enough.
Driving away while I watch them ride with my fears away to the.
All right, y'all. I'm home in my bed. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. I got to be at work at 8 o'clock. A whole mess on a Sunday. But whatever. This trip was a buzz. The weather just ruined it. Like, we could not get right. The weather just ruined everything. Like the party and stuff we were supposed to go to. All of that stuff was supposed to be outside. They did make up for it by like putting the tent up, but it's like when you got 50 people, like we just couldn't get right. We was late. The galleries, it just, when stuff is wet everywhere, you just can't like recover. So, you know, if I would have knew the weather was gonna be like that, I wouldn't have went. And it was too late to get your money back. So that was $150 down the drain. I did meet some nice, like all the girls. I'm the type of person, I go somewhere by myself, I make 10 new friends or acquaintances or whatever. And so everybody was nice, everybody was cool. We were just trying to make the best of it. So and that was my first time in the Hamptons. Like, you know, every trip ain't gonna be freaking, you know, every trip ain't gonna be fun. It ain't gonna be worth it. It ain't gonna be blah, blah, blah. It's all good. If you made it this far, please do all the things. Comment, like, and subscribe. I actually have... I'm going to be putting out another video this week because Tracy Ellis Ross travel show is back on Monday. and I'm definitely gonna watch and react. So, you know, be on the lookout for that. I'm trying to do some work. I don't know, y'all. I'm trying to keep going, doing my thing, whatever that thing may be. But thank you for watching. Why is this string on my pillow like that? Well, it don't even matter. Thank you for watching. Be on the lookout for more videos. Bye.